Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Down here in southern Oregon and northern California, we're seeing some pretty stormy conditions, scattered storms, and one of them has gone severe just to the west of Grants Pass. Right now, 91 degrees in Grants Pass, 96 in Medford. Here's another look at that severe thunderstorm, and it's in this purple shade area where we're likely getting potentially 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The severe thunderstorm warning goes until 5:45, and there's really little to no movement. We'll put the radar in motion. You can see there's not a lot of movement, but this could slowly work over the Grants Pass area. Expecting also some heavier downpours and a lot of lightning with some of these storms. Also tracking some more development to the south, and then a new cell popping up right around the Butte Falls area. Storms stretch down into Siskiyou County. Some heavy storms to the west of Wairika. We'll have to watch this cluster of cells closely, and some more storms. A lot of lightning east of Tennant, and then some storms do stretch back up into parts of Klamath and Lake County. The potential for storms continues through early this evening, and then from west to east, we're going to see things die down for tonight. A red flag warning, though, remains in place even in Jackson, Josephine County until 9 o'clock tonight. We are concerned about new fire starts with lightning from these thunderstorms. Also tracking smoke, moderate air quality in the basin, as well as the Medford area, but there is some thicker smoke that will likely drift through into this evening from the Immigrant fire, producing some right now unhealthy air quality up at Crater Lake. Very unhealthy air quality for Happy Camp because of the Dillon fire, and smoke impacts are likely going to continue. We will see some fairly thicker smoke towards Klamath and Lake County into the morning, but do expect pretty widespread smoke and haze and some fluctuating air quality impacts as we go through your Wednesday and even into Thursday. Here's a look at your forecast tonight. Thunderstorms winding down through the overnight hours. Another very mild night on the west side, 67 in Medford down to 65 in Grants Pass. Here's Stormcast showing those scattered storms through the early evening hours, and then things will wind down as we go through the overnight. Tomorrow, a smoky but sunny start, and then we'll have the potential for some thunderstorms as we move into tomorrow afternoon, but they'll be a bit more spotty, less widespread. Still going to be concerned, of course, about lightning and new fire starts. There is another red flag warning in place for parts of the region, especially along and east of the Cascades, 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. on your Wednesday. So tomorrow, still fairly hot for the Rogue Valley. We got one more opportunity for some thunderstorms in the region, and then we're going to get into a quieter stretch of weather. Stays fairly hot in the Rogue Valley. For the Lake County, roundup going on later this week into this weekend. The forecast right now is looking pretty good. We'll have to keep an eye on smoke impacts. The coast staying on the cooler side and dry conditions over the next few days. Northern California, the potential for thunderstorms tomorrow. The basin, also that threat for storms, but then quieter weather later this week. Up in the mountains, one more day of that, a slight chance at least of a thunderstorm, and then for the Rogue Valley, Labor Day weekend looking nice and much less hot.